I'll harvest the lemons first. I have 3 lemon trees plus like another lemon grafted in a citrus salad. So this one is a Eureka. This one is Eureka lemon. And then there is another lemon there. Oh, look at this beautiful flower. And then this one is another Eureka lemon, also starting to turn yellow. A lot of fruits. This is calamansi. This is kumquat. This one is the yuzu lemon, so we're going to harvest from here. And then that one is Valencia orange. This is a yuzu lemon tree. Look at how prolific. This branch, and then there are like other branches that I get from here. This is super heavy. Oh my gosh. Super fragrant. This is one of the most fragrant lemons, because this is very popular in Japanese cuisine. Harvested 2. Harvest one from here too, so it's not too heavy, because the branches usually snap when it's too heavy. Look at the grapevine. We have another lemon tree here. This is actually like a citrus salad, like one tree with like 6 different citrus grafted into it. This look at how huge. So we have today's harvest is going to be small, medium, and large. This is the large. Oh my gosh, it's just like it's super ready. And then the other one. This is like kind of like a small pomelo now. It doesn't look like lemon anymore because it's so huge. Like, look at this one. This is like an orange on the same tree. So there's like orange, lemon, and lime. And let's harvest this one. Oops. There you go. So we have. Now it's time to. 1 second. Now let's harvest some calamansi. We actually have oranges too that are ready. Like, look at these oranges. Let's harvest those 2. 1 second. So we have orange too. I think this is ready. Maybe not yet, but it should be okay. Those are the lemons, and here is the orange. They almost look the same now. Maybe I'll get 2 more. There are more on the other side actually. My gosh, so fragrant. And then my harvest. Look at how loaded. My citrus harvest to boost our immune system. I have calamansi here, Valencia orange, Meyer lemons, and then yuzu lemons.